it's Alicia.
Hey guys, Mayush.
And we're here from
Linka Good.
So today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms in the entire world. Our moms work very hard for us. They are just the best. So today for this special Mother's Day, I am going to be making a coffee named Dalgona Coffee. This coffee is internet viral and my mom loves to drink this coffee. So it's super delicious. It looks awesome. So I just let you get started with this adventure. Woo!
Okay, so for this recipe, I'm going to be needing this ingredients. So first of all, I'm going to be adding coffee powder. You guys can use any company of coffee powder, but over here, I'm using this company's coffee powder. So I am going to be using 2 teaspoons of coffee powder. So in this bowl, I have 2 teaspoons of coffee powder, and I'm going to add it into the big bowl. So here you guys can see that I added the coffee powder. Now, next step, I am going to be adding the sugar. So I took 3 teaspoons of sugar over here. You guys can use it as according to your taste. So over here, I added 3 teaspoons of sugar. And now I am going to be using water. I have 2 teaspoons of water over here. So let's add 2 teaspoons of water. So here you guys can see that I added the 2 teaspoons of water into the big bowl. And now I'm going to take a spoon and I'm going to start mixing it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to use the hand mixer to mix it up nicely. So I'm just going to mix it a little bit. Now I'm done. Now let's go to the next process. Okay, so over here I have the mixture, which is the mixture. And you guys can use a mixer or a hand mixer. But over here, I am going to be using a hand mixer because I have a hand mixer. But if you guys could use a mixer too. So I'm going to start my hand mixer and I'm going to mix it for 5 to 10 minutes. So here you guys can see that I turned it on and I'm going to keep mixing it till 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so right now after mixing it after a little bit of time, I saw this. So this is actually not ready. So let me show you guys how you know it's ready or no. I'm just going to mix it, and if it's dripping, it means it is not ready. But when it is stuck to the whisker places where the whisker is, and that's when I know that it is ready. So right now you guys could see one more time that it's actually dripping. It's not stuck to the whisker. It means it is not ready. So I'm going to still keep mixing it until it's ready. So I'm going to mix it for still like 5 more minutes and I think it should be ready. So this is a very awesome recipe, so you guys should try it. So now I turned on the hand mixer and I'm going to keep mixing it again. Okay, so after some time, after I'm mixing it, it feels a little foamy. So let's just check if it's ready or no. So here you guys can see it kind of also looks like it's ready. So right now I'm going to be doing the same process that I did last time. So I'm going to mix it up and I'm just going to lift the mixer off and I'm going to see. So right now it is sticking. It's stuck to the mixer. It means it is right now officially ready. So right now here you guys can see that it looks ready. So right now, I put the hand mixture away. So here I took like a spatula and I'm just gonna just mix it up a little bit and just show you guys how it looks like. So here you guys can see that I'm just mixing it up a little bit. So right now you guys can see, so this is how you know that it's also ready. So it should have changed color, it should have turned into like a light brown color, and it really feels like foam when it's ready. So it's like a foamy mixture. That's foamy coffee powder mixture. So it's very easy. So this is the mixture that I'm going to be adding into the milk. So now let's go to the next process. Okay, so right now you guys can see that I have my foamy mixture over here and I have milk. So you guys can use hot or cold milk, but over here I am using hot milk because I feel like hot milk is better to use. So I'm going to take 2 to 3 teaspoons of my foamy mixture and I'm going to add it into the hot milk. So I'm going to take 2 to 3 teaspoons. So here, that's 1. So I'm adding it in and I'm going to keep adding it in till I have 2 to 3 mixtures. I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons. Here you guys can see that's 1. And then I'm going to add the second one. And I'm just going to keep adding it till I'm done. So here you guys can see it's actually very sticky. So you guys should be careful with it. So like I'm using a spatula and a spoon. So you guys could do that too. So right now you guys can see I added to my 2 to 3 teaspoons of the foamy mixture, and right now I'm just gonna start like spreading it around, and I'm gonna make a little like swirl in it. So it's just to make it look pretty. This is very optional. You don't have to do the swirl, but I did it. So right now you guys can see that I did my swirl. I finished with my swirl and it looks super awesome. It looks awesome, but right now I am going to be decorating this. It is very optional. You guys do not have to decorate it, but I am going to be taking some coffee powder. So over here I just have a little bit coffee powder. Don't you dare add too much. So I just added a little bit coffee powder. I'm just gonna sprinkle it a little bit on it so it looks pretty. So here you guys can see that I'm sprinkling it. Don't add it too much or then it's not gonna, so it's gonna like taste like a coffee powder. So here you guys can see this is just a little picture of how it looks like. It looks very awesome and very pretty. So yeah, hopefully you guys try it too. So here you guys can see this is another picture and hopefully you have fun.
But anyways, that was all for today. Like and subscribe for more fun videos, and please try this recipe at your home because this coffee is just the best and it tastes super delicious and it's just the best. And once again, a special happy Mother's Day to all the moms in the whole entire world. You moms are the best. You guys help us so much, and we'll see you guys next time. Until that, peace.